Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.